Yeah! Sweet dreams.
Hello, Emonkians! Welcome back to another tutorial. Today is pretty simple. It's just over the makeup. I went ahead and put on my wig cap. And again, this is for the gender bent Dante. And since, you know, regular guy Dante doesn't really wear makeup, I decided, I'm a chick. I want a little bit of makeup at least. So, here we go. And I did ahead put on my shirt because I didn't want to smear my makeup afterwards, and I'm also going to be putting the wig on afterwards. So let's get this thing started. I use the Hot Topic white face powder. The reason why I use this is because, well, simply, I'm very pale, and most foundations do not actually work for me, sadly. But this one does, and you'll see that it actually blends very well to my skin. And sadly, this is not what it's supposed to be used for, but this is my type of foundation. But just start off with your type of foundation. It all depends on you, of course. Like I said, I'm very pale. And I use the Voluminous Manga mascara. It's the mascara I always use. I love it. So put on some mascara of your choosing. Doesn't have to be fancy. And I also use some silverish eyeliner. The reason why I used it is to cover my eyebrows. And I have very blonde eyebrows, so I didn't have to do the glue stick method. But the glue stick method, you basically glue down your eyebrows and you can put color on top after it dries. And right here is my black eyeliner. I use it to obviously put eyeliner on my eyes, and this is just my typical routine eyeliner because I want to make my eyes seem big. So I did black on the lid and then towards the out corner, and then I used some regular white to bring out my eyes a little bit more. That way it looks a little bit bigger because he's a video game character and I have very small eyes. See, that gives you the extra definition. And I used white and black eyeshadow. I used white at the bottom, and this is all glitter because, you know, I love glitter. I love the sparklies. Sparkle, sparkle. But and it's just by Maybelline. Like I said, it's not really hard or anything like that. I just put some on the bottom, then I put a little bit of black in the crease just to give my eye a little bit of definition. So, not really much to that. And now, this is what your eyes should look like. And now we're going on to lipstick. I used a dark red lipstick because I wanted it to match the trench coat. So, that's the way I went with that, because you don't want to be too loud on your lips if you're going to go loud on your eyes. It just looks wrong. So, I used some dark lipstick. Some dark red. And voila, there's my wig. Magic. That is it. Happy cosplaying.
Jackpot.
Thank you to all of my Patreon supporters for making all of these videos possible. To become a Patreon supporter, go to patreon.com/emonk060292 or look in the description or in the eye above. Thank you guys!